Welcome to my crib. It's small, yes, but it gets the job done. And the best thing is, it has a bathtub, baby. Let's go. It's kind of small. I don't know if I can fit. Ouch. Nice. Shit, I can't get out. Fuck. Yes, shampoo, conditioner, soap, whatever this is. Yo, bidet? In this economy? That's crazy. Oh. And that's it. No fucking way. I found it. No fucking way. Compression socks. Do you want some Vegeta underwear? Looking for a belt? Oh, there it is. Should just buy this one. But for now, I'll just get this 90 yen. Cheap as fuck.
本日はご来店ご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。
the fuck is this? What is this? Yo, Bochi the Rock. Yo, that's cool. Lots of gunplas here. Oh my god. Where the hell am I? No, it's a microphone. Yo, what the hell? No way. What the? Oh my god, there's even anime girls ones. Holy shit. What are these? Vigras? Very fitting song. Have a clitoral orgasm. The fuck is all the aphrodisiacs? Now these are cool. Oh, there's no Pokemon cards. Damn. Is there smart watches here? I'm looking for like a tag or something. Oh shit. Furin lighters? Overlord and Bochi. I'm so overwhelmed by all these crazy things. There's just so much things to see. Man, it's so freaking cool. But we got the stuff. Oh, that's a book off. this one stunter house. This place has a lot of things to explore. Everything is so near each other that I don't even have time to explore them. So I do have to put it on the next day or something. So yeah. Tomorrow going to Hakone. Gonna wake up early. We're just gonna have to go very early as well. Alright, I'm back, and oh my god, there's just a lot of shit to discover in this area. Like, I might have picked the craziest area to stay, which is Ikebukuro, and I just literally went by like so many places. Things like the Capcom building, Sunshine City Mall, and then like so many fucking places. I don't even know where, how am I supposed to fucking fit all of this into a single day? Because I actually had plans to go to Sunshine City Mall today, but I couldn't make it because by the time I reached the hotel, it's already 8 p.m. So many things, there's so many fucking things. I just went to Don Quixote just now, and I was fucking overwhelmed with the things that I've seen. Like, that's crazy. Holy shit. And this is only just the beginning, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to Hakone, and yeah, gonna have to charge this camera, my phone, everything. It's gonna be a long trip. I'm tired, and I need to bathe. It's really freaking cold here. I'm probably not gonna open the aircon. So yeah, day one. Made it this far. Let's continue. Peace.